Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of prediction markets, Kalshi and Polymarket to make more money sports betting. Got a great day of college basketball today, and I'm going to be highlighting just how you can use the model I'm going to walk through for college basketball or any other sport using the GamedayMath platform, a free subscription tier to be able to get odds for either Kalshi or Polymarket and use that to bet and beat retail books. I've got the GamedayMath platform pulled up here. Again, link in the description to sign up for a free tier, and there's also paid subscription tiers. This is the Plus EV platform I use for all my sports betting, and I'm going to be highlighting how you can use the free tier along with an Excel-based model that I have to be able to get Polymarket or Kalshi as your source of truth odds, and then bet against some retail books and hopefully make some money sports betting. College basketball, once you get signed up, you want to go over to My Account and go to Sportsbooks, and here is where you can select up to 5 different sports books to choose from. And we're going to just go through here and pick Kalshi as our number 1, and then we are going to find some sports books that we think we can beat. We'll do BetMGM. We'll just pick some retail books here, some of the top retail books. We'll do DraftKings. We'll do Caesars. We will do the Score Bet, some of the easiest retail books out there, and then we will save changes. So we've got Kalshi, and we're going to line shop against BetMGM, DraftKings, Caesar, and the Score Bet. We'll save those changes. Toggle over to the odds page, and this is going to highlight all the odds for, you can see a massive slate of college basketball today. We've got Kalshi, BetMGM, DraftKings, Caesars, and the Score Bet over at the odds, and we can see where all the prices are today. If you sign up for a paid subscription, you'll get an expected value, a no vig line, and a bet score value to be able to see where there's actual plus EV bets. But if you want a one-time purchase option, what I'm going to show you, an Excel model will do that for you. There's just a manual component of dropping in the odds yourself. So we can toggle through money line, spread, and total values. Go over to total, so you can see all the interface really is the same. It's just what main market you want to bet on. Let's just do spread. I'm going to go ahead and grab our January 7th dates, and we'll go ahead and grab the full slate. Just highlight and drag down. Do a Control-C to copy those values. And then I've got the Excel model here, link in the description if you want to pick this up from excelbets.com. We'll do a Control-V into our handicap odds drop in. It'll take just a second here to bring in all those values. Have over 100 games today. All right, I pasted in, and you can see it's going to bring in all of the icons for each individual team. Go ahead and select this control and match destination formatting. It's that clipboard option. I've also got a note up here. So there's our full slate of games. We drop that into the handicap odds. We'll flip over to the spread. And here what we have is our time, the matchup, the handicap line, and then we can update based on who we had as our sharp book. In this instance, we picked Kalshi, and then we line shopped against BetMGM. Let's go back to GamedayMath. We had BetMGM, DraftKings, Caesar, and the Score. And this is just if you want to keep track of the different sports books, so that flows through each tab. So we've got Kalshi odds here. We're going to go ahead and convert those into fair value odds, so minus 110, plus 110 for Virginia SMU. And then we're going to line shop against our 4 retail books to see if there's any value. And the model is going to automatically highlight in this blue if there is a plus EV bet or not. And you can see we've got a lot of bets to choose from here. And that's how easy it is. So it's going to do the line shopping for you. Kalshi's your source of truth. It's going to devig those so you know what your fair odds. So we've got Iowa State, Cincinnati, minus 6.5, plus 6.5. And we devig that minus 131, plus 109 on Kalshi. We get fair odds of minus 119, plus 119. So anything longer than Minus 119 is a plus EV bet. You can see we've got Caesars at minus 110. If I select Caesars here from our Sportsbook EV odds, it's going to give me, based on our Kelly bankroll, the exact wager amount. So $195. We've got 52.38% chance, 3.55% EV. So that's a great EV play. We want to bet almost 2% of our bankroll, a full unit, or $195 if we've got $10,000 and a half Kelly. Same thing down here, Sam Houston State. We've got Caesars again as the best book. A lot of Caesars value today, Vanderbilt. And this is how easy it is. We've got BetMGM as the best line here on Harvard. So just go over here and you can do BetMGM. Again, this is how easy. You got 4 EV plays there. We've got the score bet here. Western Michigan on Caesars. Plenty of value. Again, you're using Kalshi, that prediction market, which is extremely sharp and accurate. It's got a ton of smart money coming in and out of that, not just for sports betting, but obviously for any type of prediction market available. It's expanded into all 50 states. So if you want a way to be able to leverage Polymarket or Kalshi prediction markets, this is a great solution for you. It's a one-time purchase. You can do the same logic for totals and money line. Again, just going back to the GamedayMath platform. The free tier is what I have here. Go to the total tab and we can do the exact same thing for our totals page. Grab all the games, do a copy and paste, and we can see what value is available right now in the market. You can do this as many times as you like throughout the day. You can do it once and just get a good selection of EV plays. If you don't have a lot of time to sports bet, you're not looking to dive into a subscription model. That's why I built Excel Bets, is to give you that option, to be able to have one-time purchase options that it's going to still give you an edge, a little bit of manual work. But if you are somebody who likes the EV top-down approach but wants a subscription, please do consider signing up for the sharp tier of Game Day Math. All right, so we got the totals pulled in there, and you can see same thing. We're going to have plenty of EV plays. We've got our odds highlighted in blue if it's a EV or not. We've got Butler Seton Hall, the under there for BetMGM and Caesars is our longest odds. We'll take Caesars. We've got the over on Notre Dame, Virginia Tech on BetMGM. We've got Caesars on Mount St. Mary's and Kansas. We've got Chattanooga, West Carolina on the score. We'll hit that. Plenty of value. It's going to tell you the optimal bet size. And with college basketball, you get a ton of EV opportunities here. That's what I got for everybody today. Again, this is going to allow you to have another way to attack retail books using prediction markets, simple copy and paste. You're going to get exposure to money line, spread, and totals. And it allows you to get familiar with what I consider the best top-down EV betting source out there. It's Game Day Math. We are continuing looking to expand this platform, so this gives you a nice way to get familiar with the interface. And then if you look to upgrade in the future to one of the paid tiers, you're going to get access to a lot more data. You'll have the picks page that'll give you the top EV picks at any given moment of time. And this is also embedded in these EV and Novig logic. We've got Kalshi and Polymarket as part of the Sharp Book logic too. So this is kind of the end game if you want to look for a subscription. If you want a one-time purchase option, what I have on Excel Bets, I hope is a value for you, and you can at least get started and have a source if you're looking to build that bankroll. I think this is a great model and starting point for a lot of people. Thank you for watching, and God bless.